Hello, hi everyone. Dear children, I am Yogesh PM, your mathematics teacher. Welcome to online class. Today I am explaining equation of a line lesson, dear children. Shall I start the problem?
Dear children, last two classes I gave so many important points about this lesson, equation of a line. Equation of a line is always straight line. That straight line makes angle with x-axis. That angle we call inclination. That can be denoted by theta. In the inclination also two types inclination is there. That angle measurement with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, that inclination we are calling by positive inclination. Then the angle measured with x-axis that in clockwise direction, that we are calling by negative inclination. Okay, then slope is nothing but the ratio between the vertical rise by horizontal distance. Understanding? That is slope can be find out by using the inclination, and one more method is by using the two fixed point. It's possible to find out the slope. Now I will give one simple chart. What I did two classes, that simple chart. Inclination on x-axis. Look here, I will draw once again that one x-axis and y-axis. Here one straight line is there. Look here, see this. The straight line coincides with x-axis. Means that is nothing but that line is x-axis. The inclination of x-axis is 0. Why? Because that line is coincide with x-axis. That angle. See here. Look here. I will show. Look here. This is x-axis. This is line coincide with x-axis. This line increases that angle, means it forms in anti-clockwise direction angle. See, now it is coincide because of inclination is 0 will come here, children. Understanding? In the same inclination y-axis, it forms the angle measured with x-axis. See, y-axis is a line, straight line. Angle measured with x-axis, that is 90 degree, because of inclination on y-axis is 90 degree. See, similarly, lines parallel to x-axis. Here one more line is there. Look here. See, that line is parallel to x-axis. See, x-axis inclination is 0, is it? Means similarly, the so many lines parallel to x-axis, that inclination also 0 will come here, children. The inclination theta is 0 will come. Understand? Similarly, the lines parallel to y-axis. Look here, the parallel to y-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis. This line is also parallel to y-axis. The y-axis inclination is 90 degrees. That means the parallel lines with x-axis also inclination is 90 degree will come here, children. Okay, understood. Now coming to that one, slope. Slope formula, you know that, dear children. I write here, m is equal to tan theta. Theta value 0 came, means tan 0 became 0 will come. Means slope of x-axis is 0. See, here horizontal ground is there. Ground slope 0. We are walking, no problem. Okay, that slope 0 is there. See, y-axis, wall. Example, y-axis wall. Is possible to walk on the wall easily? No. The slope is infinite. The tan 90 is infinite. Then slope of lines parallel to x-axis. I told already. The slope of ground, that is 0, is it? Means the lines parallel to x-axis, that slopes also 0 will come. Don't take confusion. Similarly, that wall is a y-axis. I consider the example, wall is a y-axis, vertical wall. Understanding? That slope is infinite, is it? Means that wall, similar parallel walls also slope is infinite will from the children. Understand? This is a chart you should understand properly by write down the diagrams. Okay? This chart completely two classes what I explained, complete details it's given. Understand? Dear children, last class I already started B exercise. The first main I finished it. The second main. The first main what they gave? They gave inclination value. I find out the slope. Theta means inclination, m means slope. With the help of inclination, I find out slope. Now in the second main, find the inclination. I am going to finding this one of the line whose slope is, the first one slope is 0 is a, second one slope is root 3 is a, third one 0.7646 is a. Now in the second main, with the help of slope, I am finding inclination, vice versa. These two relation, which formula is it, you know dear children, that is m is equal to tan theta. By using this formula, first main also I use this formula, the second main also I use this formula. Understanding? If they gave slope, find the inclination means use this formula only. If they gave inclination, find the slope means use this formula only, dear children. Okay? Shall I continue this problem, dear children? B exercise, second main problem. Okay. Look here, dear children. See, given this is first point is this is slope, that is slope can be, see, whose slope is this slope? 0 value is that, value is 0 is that, this is the slope value m. We know that, what we know that, dear children? M is equal to tan theta. This is the relation between slope and inclination. Okay. What next step? Look here. I will substitute the values of m. M value 0 is equal to tan theta, dear children. See, now you should remember that trigonometrical standard angle tan ratios. You know that tan 0 degree is equal to 0. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Tan 90 is equal to infinite, dear children. This trigonometrical standard angle value of tan 0 degree is 0, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree is 1, tan 60 is root 3, tan 90 is infinite. Now, in which standard angle trigonometric ratio 0 value will come tan 0 degree. In the place of 0 I will write tan 0 degree is equal to right hand side as it is tan theta. Now what is that next step? Here this left hand side tan, right hand side tan cancel. 0 degree is equal to theta. Finally, conclusion, in this given slope 0 is that means that inclination is 0 degree. Understanding is inclination 0 degree is that means the straight line is coincide with x-axis or parallel to x-axis. Based on that one, inclination is possible to explain that lines is parallel to x-axis or coincide with x-axis. Understand. Now I will go to second problem. The slope value, what is that? I am find the inclination of the following slopes. Line slope, whose slope is this one, root 3 z. Now same method. This is m value. We know that, see what we know that m is equal to tan theta. Now m value shall I substitute here? M value what is it? Root 3 is equal to tan theta. See, in which standard angle tan root 3 value will come? Tan 60 degree is equal to tan theta. Tan cancel. 60 degree is equal to theta. Means inclination is 60 degree. Now coming to the third question. In the second way, third question. Thus, find the inclination of the line whose slope is 0.7646. This is m value. This is not a standard value of that trigonometric ratio. Trigonometrical ratio standard values which will come 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinite. But here decimal number is it. See now, what I will write down, we know that m is equal to tan theta. In the place of m I will write 0.7646 is equal to tan theta. See, how can I find this value which will come in which angle value will come this one? How can I find? With the help of Clark book. The Clark book, where it is available? In our reader, dear children. I will show last class so I used this reader. See, for your examiner they will provide the Clark book. Don't worry. See, in the last page 455. You open it 455, dear children. Look here. 455 natural tangents are there. See, first column start from degree 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 degree, 10 degree like this. Okay. Then second column start from the respective values tan 0 degree is 0.00, they like this. Okay, see, I will check first second column that what we want 0.7646. Look here, dear children, 0.7646, is it correct? See, look here, 0.7536 is it. Next what is it? 0.7813, more, it became more. See, I will go to this column only, 0.75, 0.757618, very less, 7646, we got it, that value. See, in the 37 degree, that 0.7646, it will come in 37 degree, but this column is minute column, 24 minutes, means 37 degree column. If I came here, 0.764 will come in this which minute? 24 minutes. 37 degree, 24 minutes. Shall I write that value, dear children? Look here. See, tan, which angle this value will come? 37 degree, 24 minutes, value will come 0.7646 is equal to tan theta, dear children. Tan cancel. Finally, we got it. 37 degree, 24 minutes is the inclination. This inclination, this is the inclination of the line, dear children. Inclination of the line, that line slope is 0.7646, dear children. Understanding? Easy is it? A line makes angle with x-axis this angle, the slope value this will come. Understood, dear children? In the second problem, a straight line makes angle with x-axis 60 degree, that line slope is √3. Similarly, first one, the line makes angle with x is 0 degree, the slope is 0. Understood, dear children? Easy is it? Directly I am going to next main, dear children. Dear children, third main. See, I will read the question. Find the slope of the line passing through the pairs of points -2, -3 and 1, 2. See, last problem means first main I find out the slope with the help of inclination. Inclination means theta value. Okay. Then second problem I find out the inclination theta value with the help of slope. But third main I am finding the slope with the help of that which slope we are finding? That line passing through this pair of points. I will draw a diagram, dear children. Look here. Here on straight line is it. The straight line passing through 2 points, that is -2, -3, and another one is 1, 2. I will give the point name. This is A and B. This is point A, this is point B. This straight line passing through the pairs of these 2 points. By using these 2 points coordinates, I am finding the slope of this straight line. That's all. Shall I continue the solution, dear children? What is the formula? You know that given, I will write down given. Let A is -2, 3 and point B 1, 2 are lies on the line. Lies on the line. Lies on the line. Or the line passing through these 2 points. That's all, vice versa. Now, what next step? Now, dear children, now I want the slope of line. Slope of line is nothing but m is equal to y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. See, you know that, dear children, this one A coordinates is -2, -3, that coordinates x1, y1. B coordinates, that is 1, 2, I write down x2, y2. You should write down like this, then substitute the values. What next step? Slope m is equal to y1 value, what is it? -3. In the formula, middle minus is y2 coordinates 2 is divided by x1 coordinates -2. In the formula minus x2 coordinates is 1 is Then finally slope m is equal to what next step? -3 -2 became -5 upon -2 -1 became -3. Is it correct? Finally minus minus cancel. Slope m is equal to 5 upon 3, dear children. Hence the slope of the line is 5 by 3. Easy, dear children? Understand? Like you should write down rough diagram. This which one slope we are finding, that line passing through these 2 points. I give the point number A and B. Point A, let given A, B points coordinates lies on the line. Now the slope of the line M is equal to y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. I substituted. I gave that name A coordinates x1 y1, B coordinates x2 y2. According to this one, I substituted here. I find out the slope. Easy is it? Don't take confusions. Similar in the third main, similar 2 more problem is you should solve in this method. Shall I continue next main? Okay, dear children. Dear children, fourth main. In this problem also I am finding the slope of the line. Which one line slope I am finding? That line is parallel to AB. If point A coordinates 0, minus 3, point B coordinates minus 2, plus 5. Look here, dear children. See, I am finding one line slope. That line I am taking PQ. I give the name PQ line. This line is parallel to AB. This line is parallel to AB. This is the required line slope. This is the given line. 2 coordinates. A coordinates is 0, minus 3. B coordinates is minus 2, 5. How can I find? See, for you confusion will come, sir. Here we want this line slope, this line slope, but in this line inclination not there, then points not there, but this line is parallel to another line AB. That line 2 coordinates is very easy. Is it? See, last classes only I explained, dear children. Look here in the x-axis and y-axis. See here. One line, this is PQ line, is parallel to AB line. Is there means this slope, this PQ slope is M1, AB slope is M2. M1 is equal to M2. I proved. Yes or no? Here only in this place only I written this diagram. 2 lines inclination I written. The 2 lines are parallel. If 2 lines parallel, their slopes are equal. I gave the conclusion by using this condition. See, look here. See here. I write down the children. You should write down rough diagram. Coming to the solution. Let the required slope of the line PQ is parallel to AB. Is it correct? Let the required slope of the line PQ is parallel to AB. I gave the name that the required slope name line name is PQ. This is parallel to AB. Okay. Given A coordinates is 0, minus 3 and B coordinates is minus 2, 5. I'll give the name of the coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2. Coming to the next step, dear children. Slope of, I will write down, we know that, I will write down the statement, dear children. We know that if two lines parallel each other, their slopes are equal. Understand? By using this statement, I will write slope of PQ is equal to slope of AB. I want slope of PQ, that required slope is line PQ, is equal to slope of AB. AB inclination not there, coordinates is there, AB coordinates. You know that what is the formula? Y1 minus Y2 divided by X1 minus X2. Sir, if I wrote numerator x1 minus x2, denominator y1 minus y2, it became wrong. Why? Because slope is equal to ratio between the difference of ordinate by difference of abscissa. Means vertical rise by horizontal distance. Now I will substitute the values. Y1 value, what is the Y1? Minus 3 in the formula minus. Y2 value 5 upon X1 value 0 in the formula minus. X2 value minus 2. Use the bracket minus 2 is equal to. Already here minus is there. Don't want minus. You should write minus by using the bracket. What next step? See, minus 3 minus 5 became minus 8 divided by minus into minus plus 2. Then now what next step? Addition, understanding, same like sign. Because minus 3 minus 5 became minus 8. Then minus into minus plus 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Finally, hence slope of line, required line, slope of required line PQ is equal to minus 4 dear children. Is it correct? See, minus into plus minus, 2 ones are 2 4. Minus 4 is the answer of the required slope of the line. Understand? Hint how I want. See here, I want one line slope. That line is parallel to AB. That line AB, 2 coordinates is there. By using the slope of the AB 2 coordinates, I substituted here. I got it. The slope of AB. The slope of AB is equal to the required line slope of PQ. Clear, dear children? Is this it? I will go to next main, dear children. Next main problems. Dear children, in this fifth problem, interest will come. Look here. Find the slope of the line. I am finding the slope of one line. That line is perpendicular to AB if A coordinates is this one, B coordinates this one. I will read once again. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to AB if A coordinates minus 3, 2 and B coordinates minus 1, 2. Coming to the solution, dear children, I will explain neatly. Here, let the required slope of line, slope of the line PQ perpendicular to AB. Let the required slope of the line PQ perpendicular to AB given A coordinate is 3, minus 2 and B coordinates is minus 1, 2. What is anything you know about perpendicular lines perpendicular? Yes, we know that. What is know that? If two lines perpendicular each other, their product of their slopes is minus 1. I write the conclusion. Look here, last class we derived. If two lines perpendicular each other, their product of slopes is minus 1. According to this statement, how means, look here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, you know that. Look here, dear children. Here one line is there, here one line is there. This line intersect at right angle. This line is PQ. This line is AB. Understanding? Now, slope of PQ into slope of AB is equal to minus 1 means slope of PQ I will give the slope name is M1 into slope of AB name I will give M2 is equal to minus 1. By using this data, I am finding the slope of the perpendicular line. Understanding, dear children? I will find out the slope of the AB, line AB. That line is perpendicular to PQ means I will use this formula. You should write down in the right side of the notebook. Like rough diagram here. Required line slope of the line PQ is perpendicular line AB. Slope of the AB I gave M1 into slope of the PQ line is M1, slope of the line AB is M2. The product of slopes is equal to minus will come, minus 1 will come. When means the two lines are perpendicular each other. If two lines perpendicular each other, their products of slopes is minus 1. Now dear children, what next step? Look here. Now slope of PQ into slope of AB is equal to minus 1. Now dear children, slope of PQ I will give M1 into slope of AB I will give M2 is equal to minus 1. See, I know that slope of AB how to find. You know that dear children. I will find out separate. Now I will separate. I will find out here. See, slope of AB is equal to, with the help of two coordinates, y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. Substitute the values. What is the values? Look here. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Compulsory you should write down that coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2. Otherwise confusion will come to substitute. y1 is minus 2 in the formula minus. y2 is 2 is there divided by x1 is 3 plus 3 in the formula minus. x2 is minus 1. Use the bracket and write. What next step? Is equal to slope of AB. Minus 2 became minus 4 divided by minus into minus plus 1. 1 plus 3 became 4 is equal to minus 1. We got slope of AB is equal to minus 1. Okay. This value I will substitute in this formula. I will substitute in this formula, dear children. How means? Look here. I will substitute. Look here. Same already is slope of PQ into slope of AB is equal to minus 1. Look here. M1 I don't know. M2 you know that already. Slope of AB value you know that. Minus 1. I will substitute here 1 is equal to right hand side minus 1 in the formula. According to the statement, this is formula. What next step? See, minus 1 into M1 minus M1 is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. Finally, M1 is equal to 1. Hence, the slope of, hence the required slope of line PQ. Hence the required slope of line PQ is equal to plus 1. Understood? Look here. See, the slope of PQ line is plus 1. Slope of AB line is minus 1. Minus into plus minus. 1 1 is 1. The product minus 1 coming to each other like this. Here 2. This is the required slope of the line. This is a given line. AB line slope we find out with the help of coordinates minus 1 I got it. I substituted the slope of AB value minus 1. M1 we don't know. I multiplied. Minus 1 goes to denominator. Minus 1 cancel. We got it. M1 is equal to 1. That is our required answer. Hence the required slope of the line PQ is plus 1. Easy as a children. I wrote so many steps to understand very clearly. Similar one more problem is there in this way. You should practice, dear children. I will continue one more problem, dear children. Dear children, one more problem. Sixth problem, exercise B. The line passing through 0, 2 and minus 3, minus 1. That line is parallel to the another line passing through the 2 points minus 1, 5 and 4, A. Find A. Where is A? A is one of the coordinates of y coordinates of this line, second line. Dear children, don't take confusion. I will repeat once again. Here, one line is there. That line passing through these 2 points. I will draw look here. Here one line is there. I will give the name of the line A, B. That coordinates, what is the A? That is 0, 2. This one minus 3, minus 1. The line passing through 0, 2 and minus 3, minus 1 is parallel to the line PQ passing through the points minus 1, 5 and 4, A. These two lines are parallel. Means the slope, AB slope M1 is equal to PQ slope M2. By using this condition, I will find out the value of A, dear children. A is one of the y coordinates of the second line. Here first line coordinates these two, second line coordinate these two. These two lines are parallel each other. You know that if two lines parallel each other, their slopes are equal. Coming to the direct solution, dear children, look here. Let's, I will write down. Let the line AB passing through A 0, 2 and B is minus 3, minus 1 is parallel to the line PQ passing through P coordinates is minus 1, 5 and Q coordinates is 4, A. Is it correct, children? I will mention, okay, the line AB passing through A coordinates and B coordinates. This line AB is parallel to another line PQ. That PQ line passing through P and Q. Understood? This rough diagram you should write down. After a long time, you will understand this solution easily. Now what next step? Now, dear children, by given line AB is parallel to line PQ, therefore slope of AB is equal to slope of PQ. Slope of AB, you know that is M1 I am considering is equal to, this is M2. Now M1 I will write in the place of M1 means M1 is equal to Y1 minus Y2 divided by X1 minus X2. M2 also same formula will come. In the place of M1 I write Y1 minus Y2 divided by X1 minus X2 is equal to M2 coordinates, that is also same, Y1 minus Y2 divided by X1 minus X2. But substitute the coordinates properly. See, look here. For this one I am substituting AB coordinates. Okay, AB coordinates is X1 Y1, X2 Y2. Shall I substitute here, dear children? Look here, I will substitute. See, easy is it? See what next step. Now Y1 coordinates here, Y1 2 in the formula minus, Y2 is minus 1, use the bracket minus 1 divided by X1 is 0 in the formula minus, X2 is minus 3, use the bracket, is equal. Now for this one I am substituting the coordinates of PQ. Why? Because slope of AB coordinates, slope of PQ coordinates, this is X1 Y1, X2 Y2. See, Y1 coordinate what is it? 5 minus Y2 coordinates is A upon X1 coordinates is minus 1, in the formula minus is there, X2 coordinates is 4 is there. Now I will simplify the HN easily. How to simplify? You know that? See, left hand side first, addition subtraction do it. How means? Minus into minus plus, plus 1 plus 2 became plus 3 upon minus into minus plus 3 plus 0 means plus 3 only is equal to 5 minus A, right as it is, 5 minus A divided by minus 1 minus 4 became minus 5. Sir, 5 cancel? No, binomial divided by monomial. Left hand side, numerator 3 is a, denominator 3 is a, 3 ones are cancel. Finally, left hand side 1 is equal to, right hand side 5 minus A upon minus 5, dear children. Now, see, right hand side fraction is a, see, denominator transfer to left side, numerator cross multiplication. You know that how to do cross multiplication? Look here, like this. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5 is equal to 5 minus A. Then I want A value because of, see, this A is having negative sign because that A only transferred to left side, 5 transferred to right side. What happened? Look here, observe here carefully. See, A minus A comes to left side, plus A is equal to, already the right hand side 5 is there as it is. Left hand side minus 5 goes to that side, plus 5 is equal to 10, dear children. Finally we got it, A is equal to 10. The answer, the required A value is equal to 10. I will repeat once again, dear children. See here, they gave two lines. The two lines are parallel each other. Any two straight lines parallel each other is there means that slopes are equal will come. You know that. According to see the required given two lines. Let the line AB passing through these 2 points. I gave A and B points. Then is parallel to the another line PQ passing through that PQ coordinates I gave. The given two coordinates I gave P and Q. Then according to the state, when given two lines parallel each other, AB parallel to line PQ, then this line slope is AB is equal to slope of PQ. See, M1 is equal to M2, M1, see, M1 is the slope of AB, A and B coordinates I gave x1, y1, x2, y2, then I substituted this formula is equal to, M2 is the slope of PQ, for P and Q I gave x1, y1, x2, y2, that value substituted to this side. Then, after I simplified, I got A value is equal to 10. Easy is a similar problem you should practice.